Don't let you akura we ya what Jimmy awin nyansa we control. What Jimmy Mahama? Jimmy Sam and young kwasi asam sabium. And young kwasi asam sabium.
Jonas' apprentice, Young Don, about dropping a very big bombshell on Kevin Taylor, Akufo Addo, Otumfuo, and from any Biafra Mahama home, and I was praising Mahama for certain or visiting, or you are the four Omonema share, Kumasi Edum. I have Penyah block media. Let's just any demo. Over like a video, no doubt, over subscribe button, and snap click the notification icon of latest update. Now, bet you wide area, mamma, ever comments, as she must say, Obaswa. No, I share video number unia so enya bi ahwe eti enra echi Ghana ante asem de Kumasi for no Edum market ija to ho no ma ho nyina ehye condemn ema at the end of the day no hu say Mahama ene the Ashanti regional minister ebo anan ekọ ho ekosra wo mu sadna omu ye no Young Don abepresi his excellency John Dramani Mahama say, oh why ya ade say watimi akọ na ye Akufo Addo mpa enka onsi ho eti Mahama the first watimi akọ kwan de Mahama aya ade.
Of course, why are there? I very appreciate you. You have done a big lot. Why are there? I appreciate you. Because I Akufo Addo Jimmy for no exploration kogu ego kumogo so for Akufo Addo and so. Now Mahama there Dubai blue light ashia. Now what drew her in player and Yamisha too much. I see I now too a private jet a bar of quick. Yamisha too much, Mama. Because one of your president here, Akufo Addo Jimmy for because Akufo Addo Jimmy for no eba the obey ye or no or the Ghana yesikano ekwa wuro dross e maya asenim pioto and or ko wuro opremu na ofa maya opremu bra the Ghana yesika bebo ye nyina no Jimmy nti onwene obi ahụ Akufo Addo akonko gina ho speech bia because he has no idea about president na udi no but Mahama de wu nim nyansa too much enti no wo John Dramani Mahama no why dey ya na yesu koduru onum but that's not the thing.
Also in Chebia World Bank mbenifo ba Otumfuo ahemfie menhia a palace ema hono Otumfuo de ko tum say he doesn't want to rely on politicians alone. He don't person o yin anim na o focus on na sante mind na sante mind. Sas mo kan ye no Young Don abegina no so akeka na adwa kire nipa efa enra ejana ehye ewo adum no ana wo kire say waje Ashanti regional canton so now no ye de amount ye ne ope
is Akufo Addo Otumfuo say you can depend on politicians no more to ono build it ne Kumasi. And I won't blame you, Mahama, too much. So Otumfuo then I Asantehene then I was soon to me independent politician to our Gilons on the Building Asantema. They say Kumasi Nation, they say, I want them to take on them Dibiao. Blue light, I want them Tom Pabu, I'm a watch media, I could be Yibia, and I'm a girl Bia, I acquire dinner one, I'm Tom and Emma. Huh? And Timahama, a Otumfuo, then I wear. Right now, one quite cassette, untim independent on a yeso. Into what right now, when I'm eating out so giddy. How are you Otumfuo say to then I what are you doing? Because right now, Mahama photo one, I will say you can depend on politicians no more. To get a loan. Every World Bank as a one area be say Kumasi so na ache no Kumasi she Otumfuo me speech Mahama na be ma speech ti kawanu Otumfuo me kasa biam Otumfuo me kasa biam kawanu tum e ya ho kokoti wona hwan na me kasa biam nyama me swansi so na Asantefo ngwasiafo na me ginu ha Kasa biam eduru on come speech onka tutun tumanko gina ensiwa ubedwa mu ho mekaza o meni Asantehene na hwan de ye be kwan niam be fa so akọ mejimi sa biam ye dina Mahama mu ne ban ne man no ye dina Mahama mu ne Ghana no Otumfuo ye kom kasa unim nyansa nchen ayi president odi so kan about time duru kan sala so koto aba ye kom That's it. Listen, Mahama, right now we see the problem, we see the cause. What's the solution? Make sure anytime, any day, from today, always, these stupid things never happen in Ghana. I'm telling the reality. Nancy Kantamanton so she how the market she said drobe. Market say drobe. Huh? To Mr. John Mahama. Making sure say one problem na also mu use why no. Making sure say you avoid that problem. And maybe in CBM. That's all my thing. Make sure Ghana is your heart. And build Ghana. And always find a solution for Ghana. Don't always Ghana nipa muti amabuba no bi adwene nya adwuma. Boys na they say wa hye na blue light ahye boys na omoya alu zan nipa adididi no. They say omunyina bedane akromfo. Onam ho na adwene abon asomuni agye ofun. Unuaba nam ho na de se ka kire ne mfe na de agye ne fun.
On say nan say muna yondon di Mahama tem di Mahama tem basa. Eno kire say Mahama won ka ye ni papa pa. Nemom nipa Kevin Taylor na wa employ no. Oro na say wudini enti no say o pese wudin ho ti a ka bibi kire nya sade a me ba be fa yawo.
Enti mesra mo obi ansu anyansa nwura mu o. To join the man Mahama, this my thing for you. Wakura anonso or maudia said wakura Kevin no. So say something to him, man. Say something to him, John Dramani Mahama. Say something to Akura Kevin no. Na ono na ese odi wo wiase o. Yes wa Kevin akomando kwa mo akwachi akwa bi efe no free files wan. Huh? Yes am akwachi free file wan efe no free file no. Edin na ka ho na ka ne free file wan. Don't let you akura we ya wajimi a wonim nyansa we control. Wajimi Mahama. You are there. You are president of Ghana. No obian wo dwene ma wo one abadwene ma ho na da bia no asora ko gira sofo no ye mompa ye ma ye nchi ofi abonozamfo ma na ejimisem ejimisem anyam kwase asem sa biem anyam kwase asem sa biem wakura na owo America no tunufo wan tunufo asembesi wan tunufo asembesi called the way threaten me very serious. The way Akura is threatening me very serious. To want to know for SMS media, I'm telling the reality and the truth. So one two Akura na fu. Wakura na your friend Kevin Taylor as one to know for. One to know for SMS you John Dramani Mahama. Of course, the mommy feel you and me pen one say you are more mature than Akufo Addo because Akufo Addo no benya isikano or the dia show for private jet your cost per hour $20,000. Ha! Akwa ni papa ni fu aku ti Akufo Addo be wi your mind ko obi anka hwe ankyere no oda so nam Ghana o free ha obi ntitan fa bia nsu ni tirim ko no wajimi kura do enti Mahama Akufo Addo aboa we de Ghana youth no akra ne youth no nkwa be di agro e wo wi ase I was still 4 years of Ghana when timi kura ma patakura maye Jimmy Fuese na mo monka hwenkyira no Ghana constitution eye emwa mun constitution ti Jimmy nti yesi obi president ade se etrase ha 1 years and say etima ene na enya akuntabu and say etima bu na akunta ansa na etima bu na time ya mwa ma Jimmy do ma Jimmy too much Obia nsu nyansa wo nwura mu o. Obia nsu nyansa wo nwura mu o. Na ma Jimmy kura Jimmy ne funfun mododo. Nyansa no nyansa yamfa wo kura sua na behunu ma jimi kura dodo ma jimi kura dodo of course sorry man Charlie Jimmy need too much of course Jimmy need too much Jimmy is too much in Udamo of course Jimmy need too much Jimmy need too much people have to think to build their life. Akufo Addo be waste Ghana 8 years. Na Mahama asaba no asaba waste 4 years. Ya de ne kasa se ya na Jimmy na ma ba be Jimmy abe wie kuro no mko. Jimmy pao no ma ba be wie kuro no pasa no mko. No ma gya ye nua ma no ne ye ma me no ne ye papa ye busuanfo nyina gu no mo bre. Na Akufo Addo aboa no one na busuanfo chile wa London, omo chile wa America, of course, me kwa na me chile ba kunya Akufo Addo abusu ani na me because I'm smart. And I'm na kwa me fa so ba America no. The entire obi like as obi everybody's asking. Ekwa man na you know fa so ba America. You will never know because that's my life. That's not your life. Tiamo bia your word. Obia and yeah, all party as yes I then you can never understand. Tina obia guys Kwame so na you know first so ba America you see obenya American passport. Kwame so na you no man. Yes in no me no I'm smarter than your grave. I'm smarter than your entire family. I'm smarter than your entire generation. That's why I'm keep on going high, hardest, forever. Non-stop. Titi nyanse na meka chiro ye Ghana ni na wo ha. Beka me ho, bra beka me ho ne mfa ejanyina mpanimfo no so no obi omunya Jimmy no mu nko bi adwuma. No more making sure say Ghana we have good roads. We have good healthcare hospitals. We have good quality, perfect BBM. Enipa and Kasawatia Swadakwa. Now Bunipa Fasu to say Jaguraja no more ton a latte semina, no more ton one enkawa. Why the end obofo atimi abezan ni perfect 90 kwadwo ho waton abaifo nko aton money perfume aton ayi yesu moja azani pa millions of billions of dollars aye akweda so te Ghana ho obi en wode na kokotu Ghana is a joke. Obi nim I the same thing upon Ebenezer. Why the same thing? Obi and one na kokot. Obi and one just say young carry in trow. Any part doing your argument. If we are so, you know what? The reason why they did the law. Law is for the weeks. Law is there for the weeks because you be an answer. We make system and law in places to cover everybody. And you'll be an answer. Why do you so be an argument correct? No, you'll be an argument. So that's why we make the law. Send a band from why being consist you'll be a winning answer channel. I don't know about when you'll be in Sania and Kosu Kruma Ghana and Kwana Kosu because we have poor mentality, stupid attitude.
It's young on the infant, obeche. I'm gonna ask Mobia so I don't watch sunyame. But the heat, Abba, said you was it here, no. Cherawa, your mammy, our comment session. I hype Penyah Block Media.